Thank you for that very mind-boggling question. I'm not really a fan of memorized or ready-made answers, so I don't want to sound cliche answering this very question. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that the world is one family. And I really hope that each members of the LGBTQIA+ community finds their equal place. And as the member of this community, there are lots of steps that I can take in order for me to be able to secure or build a nation that is very inclusive and help empower each and every members of the rainbow community. Yes, there are lots of steps, but let's start with, for me, one of the most important steps: visibility. Be visible. Because in order for you to be able to be a help to our society, you need to include yourself in the process. You need to be visible. For example, joining pageants like this, it is not just merely about beauty and talent. We're here not just a sort of entertainment, not a spectacle. We're here as a voice for change and ambassadors of hope. And that's something I know I can bring to the table because I am more than my sexuality. My main duty here is to bear my hands to the fellows in the community, spark conversations and discussions based on topics that are stigmatized, topics that we walk on eggshells around, and speak about advocacy. This very stage is not just a piece of wood. It is a platform for us to speak up. And being here, being visible, is a very important step to secure and building a nation that is inclusive and empowered. Come to think of it, ladies and gentlemen, if you will compare the status of LGBT people before, they are marginalized. But right now, we are empowered. So the building is in process because we are here. Pageants like this helps to build a nation that is inclusive and empowering to all sectors of LGBT members. And I would like to take this opportunity. I would like to be a driving force to aspire others to care for one another. And of course, to be the voice for those who are marginalized. Thank you and good evening.